Smoking is injurious to health, it causes cancer. This statement is as well known as a nursery rhyme. Also, it's true. 8 million people die every year because of smoking, 7 million of them because of direct tobacco consumption. The remaining 1 million because of passive smoking. Clearly, cigarettes are not good for you. But some studies beg to differ. And a lot of them have come out over the last 1 year. They suggest that smoking helps in fighting the Wuhan virus or COVID-19. This one, for example. Do you see what it says? Smoking is associated with a lower risk of developing COVID-19. Another says nicotine might reduce the risk of severity of contamination. This study says smokers have lower probability of developing symptomatic COVID-19, meaning even if you're infected, you will have no serious symptoms. There are also studies linking smoking to lower hospitalization rates, meaning if you smoke, you'll most likely not end up in hospitals. And I know these are hard to believe, but listen to this one. In April 2020, the Daily Mail reported that 28 studies have shown lesser number of smokers among those hospitalized. 28 studies. You must have read about them, or at least heard about them. If these studies are to be believed, smoking is good for you in this pandemic.